What if the biggest threat to your business isn't your competition, your product, or even the market? It's you. I learned this the hard way. When I launched my first venture, I thought success was about strategy, marketing hacks, and working late nights. But what broke me wasn't the business, it was my mindset. The stress, the doubt, the days I wanted to walk away, I hit a wall and I almost quit. That's when I stumbled across a quote that changed everything. Your business grows at the speed of your self-improvement. It haunted me. Because deep down, I knew the bottleneck wasn't external, it was me. I started building a personal starter kit, not for my brand, but for me as a founder. And the first tool, radical self-awareness. Studies from the Harvard Business Review show that self-aware leaders are more resilient, make better decisions, and lead stronger teams. From there, I added simple but non-negotiable habits: daily journaling, weekly reflection, reading 10 pages a day, and time blocking for deep work. But the biggest shift? Reframing failure. I stopped calling it failure and started calling it feedback. That's when things started to change, not just in my business, but in my confidence. And here's the loop most entrepreneurs never close. They keep chasing better strategies while neglecting the one thing that drives it all: their growth. So ask yourself, are you upgrading your mindset as fast as you're upgrading your tools? If not, start there. Because the ROI on becoming a better version of yourself, that's exponential. Don't just build a business, build the kind of person who can lead it.